So there we go. I like that.
That's really nice.
That
You know
is,
what
yeah.
you know what you got to do now, though, Steve?
What's that, mate?
Got to make a matching one.
Yeah, well, that's never going to happen. I need to make a plate and a knife and fork for it now, don't I?
Hashtag Chalice for Nicky.
Oh, here we go. I like that. That's really nice. That's come out really nice. Let's get on a better camera. There you go. Is that better? Can you see that one better?
Yeah, that's lovely.
The black and the silver go well really together, and as you can see, the grain is just infilled slightly, so it looks a bit like a marbly. Can you see that? It looks a bit like a marble or a slate effect.
That on the side of an ash bowl would look really cool.
Colin's asking what the URL thing is about. Colin, when you get 100 subs on YouTube, you can request a custom URL. So instead of your YouTube page just being random letters and numbers, you can actually have your name as your page URL for when people search on the internet for it. But you have to request it through YouTube Studio. Oh, hello.
Yeah, they don't automatically give it to you.
No.
So you go into YouTube Studio and search for custom URL and then follow the instructions and it'll designate a custom URL for you. Like mine is, when I hit 100, I got Gentleman Woodturner. So instead of random letters and numbers.
And what that helps is that anybody searching on Google, then that helps locate you on YouTube, then, doesn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
Because you can match it up to whatever other social media tags you have, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. What's the one that begins with an S?
Snapchat.
Snapchat, yeah, that's the one.